Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So today in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we had a very good gap up open, and it was not sustained. The gap up was sold into, and we have seen a good profit booking. Then it's tried to recover. Let's check the open interest analysis, and we'll see what the big players are planning. So we will follow by FII in option index put FII were holding 1,83,000 by yesterday. Today they have long build up of 20,000. So they have 2 lakhs of put with them now. In call they were having 98,000 call. Now they have added the long by 12,000. So they have 1 lakh 11,000 of call. And in future index they have drastically reduced their longs and increased the short by 8 percentage. So they have 81 percentage short and 19% long. In future stocks, they also booked 1% profit and increased the short by 1 percentage. So they have long of 54% and short of 46 percentage. And also we have seen a small value of selling figure of 8.79 crores. So 9 we can consider it. And what FII is planning, see he has created so much of short, and here this is a normal position. Anyway the market goes, he's ready to book this is a hedging position for him, and here keep on booking his profit. Here we have seen from couple of days he is reducing his long, booking the profit in the stock futures. So FII is bearish. Client in option input, client was having 2,46,000 put writing. Now he increased the put writing by 22,000 contracts, so he has 2.68 lakhs put writing by him. And in call he was holding 78,000 call writing. He has short unwinding of 35,000, so booked the profit. Here he holding 42,000 of call writing now. And in our future index, no changes, 62% long and 38% short he has. And in stocks futures also no changes, 80% long and 20% short he has, and here he sold for 29 crores. So client are the retailers, they are very much bullish in options and as well futures and stocks, they are bullish. All the three segments they are very much bullish. Promoters input, they were holding 16,000 of put writing, now reduce their quantities by 2,000 contracts, so they're still holding 14,000 of put writing. And in call they were holding 21,000 by yesterday. Today they have added their call writing by 48,000, so they have 69,000 of call writing by them. And in future index they were having 41% long, increase the long by 5 percentage and reduce the shorts by 5 percentage. So they have 46% long and 54% short. And in stock futures they have increased 1% long and reduced 1% short. So 70% long they have and 30% short. And also he purchased for 21 crores. So what promoter is planning, they are taking a very little quantities with them. So they have reduced their positions in options but more on negative side only, and this is also we can consider negative only in futures. So we can say promoter is also hedging his positions in derivatives, and good stocks percentage is holding. So we can consider that promoter is also slightly negative, but more FII is very much negative. So let's check the PCR today. For Nifty is zero point 0.8 and month end it is 1.38, and for Bank Nifty today 0.87 and for month end it is 1.19. So the PCR for this month is bullish only, and coming days is also bullish. We can consider this as average. So average to bullish we can consider the PCR. So let's check the global market. So Nasdaq is trading in green now. So after couple of days of profit booking, there is a good retracement. So this is a good support for them, 11,750. So this has acted as in support yesterday, and today it's trading in this range. So we'll check where they are going to close today. And on Monday there is a holiday, US holiday, the Labor Day. So Monday they won't be working. So we have to track our market only. So Dow Jones also have retraced. They took the support of this 31,300 and trading in green now. As per the open interest analysis, we have seen so much of shorts created by FII. So they are very much scared and they are still booking the profit on higher levels. They want to book the profit at 17,500 to 18,000 range of Nifty. Probably they do the same thing always. I have seen this data earlier also. So if market is not falling drastically, even though the FII is booking their profit, then there can be a good short covering rally. So short covering rally can be on the expiry of this September, I believe, 29th. Nifty will be above 18,000 then. So the positions are created by FII. So that's it for today, guys. Happy weekend. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.